surface area of the sphere is doubled from 250 to 500. By what factor does this volume increase? So, okay. We have surface area is 4 pi r squared. So if this is equal to 250, then r squared is equal to 250 over 4 pi, and r is equal to, okay, r is equal to the square root of 250 over 4 pi. So if 4 pi r squared is equal to 500, so double, right? R squared will equal to just 500 over 4 pi. So the square root of 500 over 4 pi. So the only difference here is that r, right? Because I can actually factor out a root 2, and you get the same 250 over 4 pi. Okay, so if you know some root properties, if you have roots of a and b, and they're multiplied, you can write them as this. So since 250 is 2 times by 250, I can do this. Okay, so what I can say is, let's call this one RO. So the bigger R, is really just root 2 RO, right? Okay, so then the volume for the bigger one, 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So it's 4 over 3 pi. And we can replace the r with root 2 r0. So you get root 2 cube and r0 cube. Now if you just put that bring that to the front, okay, and you get this here, and this is the volume with the radius that's generated by surface area of 250. So the new volume is this many times bigger than the old volume. It's called a V0. So what is that? Okay, so with that we can punch in the calculator. So we get 2.828 times bigger than the older volume. Okay, so when the surface area is doubled, the volume is more than doubled. That's the conclusion here. It's doubled almost 3 times. Okay, but more precisely, it's doubled by the cube of the square root of 2.